can you give maybe a quick overview of the cloud and how you guys view the cloud?
Sure, Dan. If I may, I gave a presentation. I was a speaker at one of the conferences this morning, and
sessions,
I'll start with what the cloud isn't, then I'll answer your question if that's okay.
That's fine too.
And the cloud is not a place. Everybody believes mistakenly that that's where you store data, and things happen in the cloud.
It's magical.
And there's no magic, and data doesn't get lost. People know where data is. So the cloud is not a place. The cloud is a way of essentially dealing with information technology on a service basis on the internet. Kind of as simple as that. So fundamentally you have an IT organization and you have two choices. You can basically move your infrastructure into a cloud provider's hands, or you can use software as a service, which is an application, and fundamentally use it on a per month basis without incurring any hardware costs, software costs, application costs.
Does it seem like that the industry is embracing using the cloud more and more? I mean, I know there's been a lot of talk about it. I know Verizon made some acquisitions recently in the space. Does it seem like that the mobile space is embracing that the benefits that the cloud can provide for them?
Well, the mobile space actually is a prime candidate for the cloud. Again, through the conference, people are talking about current projections of 5 billion mobile devices are in the market now.
50 billion at times that going to at one point,
Right, and to be 50 billion by 2020. So the numbers are large, and the major advantages are that there are no disk space requirements, it's easy to communicate, and it's easy to personalize. So there's tremendous embracing, but it's not trivial to get to the cloud. So it's not an automatic success. You really do have to know and plan it well and have a roadmap to get to the cloud.
What are some of the big challenges right now do you see to the adoption? I mean, are there things that are kind of maybe still making companies a little hesitant to move that way, or is it just a familiarity with what the cloud can do that are kind of keeping people from going in
the classic objection, and I still hear it, is security.
Okay.
Right, and so people say, well, how do I know if it's secure?
Yep.
And if I may, essentially, if you're looking at a public cloud may not be as secure. If you really want security, you could go to the private cloud, right? You have your own cloud, so you can pay for that security. That's one. The other one is that it's not a trivial migration. You're talking about using your entire data center potentially and giving it to someone else. That's not a natural, I want to give up control.
Companies, they want to hold their stuff.
The IT group don't necessarily endorse it. The C-level people don't necessarily endorse it. And so the way to go there really is by simple applications, relatively, such as email, web hosting, and you hang on to your mission-critical apps and move them later on.